Did you know your food and your body are made from the same five elements of the nature? According to Ayurveda, our body is made up of Panchamahabhuta. And plants, they are made exactly same five elements of nature. When we eat plant-based or wholesome food, that means we are nourishing our body exactly what it's built from. Wholesome means not fancy or exotic. That means you are eating local, natural, and seasonal. That gives us better digestion, steady energy, calmer mind, and light, happy feeling. So next time, choose plant-based and stay healthy.